Hello guys, welcome to my channel Being Beauty Vlog. So today's video guys is I bought a guava. This guava guys is worth of $1 million in America. So let's see our guava. Look at our guava guys. This guava guys is $6 per pound. Yeah. Pero bumili tayo dahil tayo ay tumitikim kung anong lasa ng guava sa Amerika, in America. Let's check it. So, this one is our guava. Halika. Let's go see our guava. So, it's a big guava. It's not like regular size guava. This guava is hybrid. Hybrid guava. So, maybe my husband likes it. Have you had guava?
No.
But you should taste guava. Do you wanna taste guava? It's fruit. Hello, it's fruit. Huge. Anyway, these are guava. Guys, it's the big guava. It's the same big as my face. Sure. So, this one, like that. So, I bought 3 big guava. 3. So, this is the biggest and heaviest one. Oh. Smell good. Okay, let's go wash it, and then we have to slice it and try to taste it. Here you are. It's done washing. I put it in washing machine, and then this is how it comes out. Big guava. So we have to cut it. We have to cut our guava. So we need to get the big one. So let's go cut this. I hope this is delicious because this one is expensive. It's expensive. Parang malambot siya. Whoa! Look at that. Wow! It's delicious. So look. You wanna try? Do you want to try?
Thank you.
So delicious. Smells so good. Oh my God. It's been many years I haven't eaten guava. So maybe I pass out if I ate this. It's been a long time. It's been, see, look how big this guava is, huh? Too big. So let's go try. So I have a big guava. Let's go try our guava. It tastes like guava.
Okay. I thought it was gonna taste like chocolate.
It tastes like guava. Let me taste it again. Anyway, we just come home from work. Still tastes like guava. I need to have the seeds so I can plant. I wanna save seeds so I can plant. Inside is soft, but the meat of the guava too is soft. Maybe my partial is gonna come out because there is some seeds in here. Well, $6,000 partial came out, so we have to be careful. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. For our vlog for today is guava. Enjoy guys, bili na kayo ng guava po. Ito dito po guys is, this one is expensive in America kasi guava is tropical fruit. So this is, I'm sure this fruit is came from maybe in Mexico. Maybe usually is in Mexico. Be right, be? Right, be? This fruit? Delicious. You know how much? This one is like almost 4 pounds. 4 pounds. So, tagano na is like ganun na, mga $6 per pound ang ano nila, baligya nila. Thank you guys for watching for our vlog for today. Goodbye. Give me a like, thumbs up. If you like my guava, thumbs up.